Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add flight on Google Calendar. So all you have to do is head over to calendar.google.com and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Then next is just click on settings icon, then click on settings. In the left panel, just click on event settings and just scroll down until you see this show events from Gmail. Make sure that you check this show events from Gmail because as you can see, Gmail automatically creates events that can be displayed on your calendar and that includes flights. But if you have a problem in connecting your Gmail account, you can easily just create your flight manually by clicking on specific date and time. Say this, for example, you can add a title about your flight and add in your flight information. Then just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!